Switching from iPhone to Redmi? Worried about losing your contacts? Don't be. In this video, we'll show you easy ways to transfer your contacts safely. No data loss, no stress. Let's get started. Method 1. Transfer contacts from iPhone to Redmi with one click. The easiest way to transfer contacts from your iPhone to a Redmi phone is by using a third-party tool. One of the best tools for this is Mobikin Transfer for mobile, which makes moving your contact list and other data. Step 1. Download and install Mobikin Transfer for mobile on your computer. Launch it and then connect your iPhone and Redmi to the computer. Step 2. The program will automatically identify the connected devices and then display them separately on the interface. Make sure the source device on the left is your iPhone and the target device on the right is your Redmi. If it is not correct, you can click the flip button to adjust it. Step 3. The middle of the interface, you can choose the data category to transfer. Here, just check the Contacts to transfer and click the Start Copy button to initiate the transfer process. Method 2. Copy contacts from iPhone to Redmi using Mi Mover. Download Mi Mover on both phones. Connect to the same Wi-Fi on your Xiaomi. Tap "This is a new smartphone, import from iPhone." Log into iCloud, select Contacts, and start the transfer. Method 3. Move contacts from iPhone to Redmi with Google account. On iPhone, go to Settings, Accounts at Account Google. Log in and enable Contacts Sync. Ensure Wi-Fi is on. Contacts sync to Google. On Redmi, sign into the same Google account. Contacts will sync automatically. Method 4. Sync iPhone contacts to Redmi with iCloud. On iPhone, go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud Backup now. On a PC, visit iCloud.com, log in, go to Contacts, and export via the gear icon. On PC, sign into Google Contacts, click Import, and upload the VCard file. On Redmi, go to Settings, Google, sign in, enable Contacts, and tap Sync now.